Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Al Spence here from Gulf Coast Custom Models. Hey man, I gotta get this comment up. It sold. I sold it to a guy kind of quick. But money's money. That's why I built them. But Dyno Don Nicholson's. I love this car. I love the Mr Gasket on the side. Always did. Now, he actually ran this, guys, as 70, 71, and part of 72 as a Maverick. However, when I researched it, I seen that he tried to run the Comet. I mean, they all ran under the Ford banner, Ford Mercury Comet. But for whatever reasons, Ford wanted him, insisted to use the Maverick. It was to compete, I guess, the smaller little bodies and stuff with Chevy's Vega and stuff. So there's the other side. So he test ran it and stuff. What the heck? It does. It looks like a Maverick. I mean, but I had the decals and but I used the fire. It came as a resin body and a hood. And that's this whole front plastic ballast and everything was all together. Yeah, all white. I had to paint everything in it, lights and all. Put hood pins in it. You see the Comet, it's got the round lights like the Chevys used to have, except now the Maverick was a straight barred light through here. I used the Firefighter Pro Stock Mustang chassis on her. And had to trim it some. It's not an easy fit. Got a big 427 and that is what he ran. So it's wired up. It is what it is. It's I like it. It came out pretty decent. Paint gave me a fit. I had to wet sand it out several times to get it quite right, but it's got Fenton rims on it, the ones he ran. I ordered those from Slicks, good old Slicks. But so there she is, guys. Dyno Don's Comet, Maverick, whatever. Anyways, what I'm on now, I gotta watch it. My mom's in bed, guys, and you know how that goes. I'm restoring some Tonka trucks for my grandson too, and I also built him a train track. Had a guy help me, but big 4x8 foot with four or five switches on it. It's a whole layout for HO, so I gotta get on that tomorrow and wrap that up. So my build's slowed, and I had to work a little overtime to get this Camaro done. Yeah, I did a Camaro. Let's leave that in there. Grumpy Jenkins, his 83, 84 season Camaro. Now, they don't make a kit for this, so I think this was that Rovell Hot Rod kit body. And then I used kit bashed another chassis for it. Put wrinkle wall slicks to it. Isn't them cool? Big old beefy engine, 427, tachometer, the pull lever switch gear shift, got a computer mounted here, cabled up batteries. But got removable body, pop right down. Let me back these up so you can see this a little better. There you go. There you go. That gives you an idea what she's got going. These guys actually probably would have ran together in this time. They probably had a showdown several times. I don't recall seeing this particular Grumpy car ran. I seen the Vega, but I did see Dyno Don's Maverick run, Dragway 42. But there you go. Here's a bonus for you. 2 for one night, 2 for Friday. You can see it. Parachutes cabled up. I got to add a pull tag. I put a do not remove during flight tag there. I got to put a caution tag on it. Got your caution tag up on the fan. But that's it, fellers. Got a Grumpy and a Dyno Don sitting here on the line. and would have definitely fired it up and ran each other on any given Saturday or definitely a Sunday somewhere in HRA. So hope everybody's doing fine. I got to do a Thunderbird for a guy, a Pro Stock Bob Glidden custom decaled one and stuff. I'm kind of working on that. Oh, I'm going to do a 67 GTX using the Stockton Martin kit here coming up. That's going to be Stalls Performance and Racing. But the guy asked about that one and I wanted to do it anyway. So, you know me, if you ask me, I will build it. If you ask, I will build. So anyways, you guys take care. I'll talk to you later. I told you I got to make this one a quick. I got to get my grandson ready for bed so I can get that train up and work on it. So without him finding out. Oh, I just realized I got to do my chrome on the hold down lockets keys on here. These Carter keys. So glad I did the video. All right, hey, you guys take care of one another. Have a great week. Al Spence here for Gulf Coast Custom Models. And I'll holler at you later. Bye-bye.